Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dynamics 365 Mobile for customer service tickets, full guide step by step. To download Dynamics 365 Mobile for managing customer service tickets, start by unlocking your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Navigate to your device's App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, access the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Dynamics 365. Look for Dynamics 365 Customer Service in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's compatibility with your device. If your device meets the requirements, tap the Install or Get button. Allow the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap to open the Dynamics 365 app. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps. Once logged in, you can access your customer service tickets. Navigate through the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Explore the ticket management interface to respond to or create new tickets. Ensure to adjust your notification settings for timely updates on new tickets. Now you are set to use Dynamics 365 Mobile for effective customer service management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.